Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn a new pattern in boho art. So this thing you can do with the black pen on the paper, you can do on the canvas board, you can do on the bag. You can learn this on anything and use it on cushion covers, bed covers, anywhere, wherever you want. We need either a black pen, permanent marker type, or we need black paint. With very thin brush we will paint it, and we need some bright colors also. Okay, so let's start. This is the design for today's bag. This is a canvas bag which I'm going to paint, and I'll paint 3 flowers in black and white, and I'll give some color to these patches. So let's start with the patches. So I'm using this green. You can use any other color. This is too dark. Let's use something bright and light. Okay, this blue will work, I think. So this blue is here. When we paint a bag, we have to make sure that there is a cardboard piece inside. Okay, why? Otherwise paint will go from this side to other side. So I'm painting it with bright light sky blue color, and then once this will dry, then I will give outline of black paint. I prefer to use fabric paints for bag painting because bag is something which we often wash. So fabric paint will not disappear after wash. Nothing will happen to fabric paint. So right now I have done only the first one. Okay. If I do this one and this one, my hand may touch it and it will spoil. This is black paint, and now I'm going to draw outline with black paint. अब हम फ्लावर की सनफ्लावर है ये, बट इट्स इन अ डिफरेंट स्टाइल. ये सनफ्लावर है लेकिन थोड़ा डिफरेंट ढंग से बना है. बोहो आर्ट में फ्लावर्स वगैरह थोड़े डिफरेंट बनाते हैं वो लोग. बोहो आर्ट इज अ बोहेमियन आर्ट शॉर्ट फॉर्म. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप हम हर चीज की आउटलाइन बना लेंगे. बोहो आर्ट में आउटलाइन बहुत प्रोमिनेंट होती है, तो आउटलाइन थोड़ी सी हम स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोमिनेंट बना रहे हैं ताकि वो अलग से दिखे. ये हम सर्कल्स बना रहे हैं, और इन सर्कल्स के अंदर हम कलर भर सकते हैं. चाहे तो हम ब्लैक भर सकते हैं या कोई और कलर भी. सर्कल्स के चारों तरफ हम थिन लाइंस दे रहे हैं. फिर से ये आउटलाइन है, तो इसको हम काफी प्रोमिनेंट बनाएंगे. Because this is an outline, so we are making it very prominent. Now this black outline is not very prominent, so I'm giving one more coat here. If your paint is very thick, please mix some water like I did right now. Mine is water based. Before I bring it down, I will fill the red color in the dots. We can use dotting tool or we can use the back end of the brush. Both are easy. I'm using dotting tool. Why I'm doing like this? Because I want to come from up to down so that my hand will not touch it and it won't get spoiled. Again, I take thick brush, black paint. Outlines have to be very prominent in boho art. Inside lines have to be very thin.
The term Bohemian originally referred to Roma gypsies. So, think about all the fun colors and fringes that come to mind.
I'll wait for this portion to dry, and in the meantime, I'm going to fill another shade of blue here. Because this is wet, if we will fill red color right now, it will get spoiled. Red color will smudge. अभी हम इसके सूखने का वेट करेंगे. ये भी फैब्रिक पेंट है, फेविक्रिल का है. ब्लैक पेंट पेबियो का फैब्रिक है. I'm coming to this one so that my hand will not touch. Okay. So again, we'll do the same thing. थोड़ा मोटा ब्रश लेंगे आउटलाइन बनाने के लिए. पहले इतना बना लेते हैं. हर बारी ब्रश को धो के रखना है, अदरवाइज ब्रश में पेंट सूख जाता है और हमारा ब्रश खराब हो जाएगा. Every time we should wash the brush and wipe it. Keep the soap solution with you. Please feel free to ask me any doubt.
Today, the term Bohemian describes someone with an unconventional, often dismissive view of social structures and traditions. Modern boho encompasses trends from the beatnik and hippie areas when the cultural aesthetic was similar to the bohemians, and it still represents a counterculture spirit. Often, boho colors are warm, pink, gold, yellow, and orange.
When we are working under the fan, our paints dry very fast. So I have stopped taking them out in the palette and I'm using these empty bottles to refill from the big bottle.
Traditional farmhouse style usually has a more subtle and neutral color palette. One easy way to easily combine the two styles is to subdue the bright tones of bohemian interiors. For your boho farmhouse style, turn orange into rust, pink into a faded ochre, yellow into mustard, and blue into navy.
We have to give outline here. I wash the brush very frequently, otherwise This part of brush gets the paint accumulated, and if it dries, then it's difficult to clean it. So I'm going to fill red color here. This time I'm going to show you with the brush. So our one pattern will look like this.
These could be textiles, sculptures, or paintings, each helping to foster individually. In addition to the handmade, we'll also find plenty of natural elements. This comes in the form of fabrics like burlap and sisal, as well as plants.
This is our third circle, and I'm going to fill this blue. This blue I have made by mixing this and light blue.
You can make lots of colors by mixing 2 or 3 paints in different ratios. So you will get a new color by mixing in different ratios.
This is our third color. You can use any other color. You can use same color, or you can make everything in black and white only. When this will dry, then only we will give outline with black paint.
Boho style is characterized by several key elements that create its unique aesthetic. These elements include an abundance of long, loose layers, tassels, fringes, natural fabrics, patchwork, and plenty of statement jewelry. Boho is an abbreviation for Bohemian homeless. That means nomads from the Bohemian region. These nomads were of gypsy ethnicity. This is why the boho style or boho chic is also called gypsy style.
Again, we have to take the thick brush to draw the outline. This outline is not compulsory, but I am just drawing it because it gives a neat feeling. Some people draw, some people don't draw.
There is no single style, but everything around the boho enjoys freedom. They are very creative. They are not followers of the masses, but they seek their own critical and creative path. Boho fashion, in contrast to hippie fashion, has no political roots. However, its roots are purely aesthetic. Boho style has certain hippie inspired underpinnings, yet its personality and lifestyle have found widespread acceptance among modern women. Therefore, it is not at all unisex and it promotes femininity.
With this, our pattern is complete. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.